Let me show you how to do a frequency table using data like this. This is not data that we can do numbers with. This problem deals with blood tests, blood types. This could also be things like what kind of car you drive, what color is your car, things like that that we can't do math with. We call this type of data qualitative data. Things like your zip code would also be qualitative data. Even though they're numbers, you can't really do math with the zip codes. So we can do classes, we can do frequency. We can't do midpoints, but we can do relative frequency. Your classes aren't going to have an upper and a lower limit. It'll just be the blood types. Type A, type B, type AB, and type O. So we'll go through and find how many we have of each. So the A's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The B's, you count those up, you end up with 7. AB's, there are 4. And with O, there are 9. And it's very important that this column here, that the sum of these frequencies adds up to be how many we have. And there's 25. And 5 and 7, 4 and 9 do add up to be 25. Your relative frequency, remember that's just a percentage, that's a part divided by a whole. So you would take the 5 and divide it by 25. That's 20%, but let's write that as a decimal. 7. There we go. 4. And 9. And I hope you remember that you want this column to add up to be 1. And it does. Now we can't do what we're going to do on frequency histogram, we're going to create something called a Pareto chart. And a Pareto chart is a bar graph, but what we do is we list the bars, we put the bars from the largest bar to the smallest bar. So the largest bar would be my O blood. So I would do that one first. Let's see, 5, 7, I'm going to go up by 2s. 2. So I'll draw a bar that goes up to 9. And again, you want your bars to be neat. The next bar would be B, 7. You want your bars to be the same width. The next one will be 5 for the A. And the next one will be 4 for the AB. Up on top of each bar, you put down the frequency. That's those fine finishing touches. In the middle of each bar, you'll put a little tick mark. We won't do midpoint. We'll just put down the type of blood. So this will be O. This will be B, A, and AB. That is called a Pareto chart. It's a bar graph, but we put the bars in order from largest to smallest. Have a nice day.